Hello everyone, today we unbox our AlgoLaser DIY kit. So you will get such a box after you buying the machine. Okay, now let's get to open it. Okay, after opening it, first you will see the instruction manual and the material kit. Instruction manual, material kit. Okay, so let's move on at the bottom. Just move the form part, so that is our machine. Right y-axis frame, left y-axis frame, front frame, rear frame, X-axis frame, control box, laser module, power cable, power adapter, USB cable, timing belt, Wi-Fi arrow, support foot, laser goggle, end plate, air bracket, work bag, wrench, screwdriver, machine key set, 3 Allen keys of different models, limit switch mounting plate, focus assist, thumb screw, screw M2.5x6, screw M2x9, screw back, screw M5x14, screw M5x8, screw M5x25, washer M5x15x1. Okay, so that's all about our unboxing of DIY kit. So please check the machine carefully after you receive it. If you have any questions, just can contact our customer service. So have a nice day. Goodbye.